There are 5 manual match types for optimizing keyword placements where keyword targeting is being used, and 4 automatic targeting match types where automatic placement is being used. There are some standard keyword rules across all the match types. Firstly, close variations will be included. So for example, shoes is a close variation of shoe and will be automatically used. Misspellings are not accounted for. So if vacuum is spelt wrong, it will not match. You would need to include misspellings. Little words like the, of, when, and if will be ignored. Broad match is the most inclusive of all the match types. With broad match, the shopping query must contain all the keyword terms or close variations. However, the words can be in any order and additional words can be included. You should use broad match when you want to deliver your adverts to a large audience. This is particularly useful when you are starting out your sponsored ads campaign and you're looking to find out what keywords would work for you. Here's an example. If customers search for baseball cap, then the following keyword phrases specified in your sponsored ads campaign would be eligible to display. Cool red baseball cap, caps for baseball. You'll see that they both contain the phrase baseball cap. However, the positioning of the words is not important. The following keywords would not be eligible to display. Sports cap, baseball hats, because they do not include all the keyword terms. With phrase match, the customers must use an exact phrase or close variations, and it must be in the same order as the keyword term. However, the shopping query may contain other words before and after the keyword term phrase. Use phrase match if you want to reach a smaller, more specific audience and you think you know what your customers are searching for. For example, if the customer uses the search baseball cap again, eligible key phrases would be red baseball caps or baseball caps for kids, because they both contain the phrase baseball cap in the right order. Ineligible searches would be caps for baseball or baseball red caps, because they do not contain the phrase baseball cap in that specific order. With exact match, the customer's shopping query must be the exact word or phrase, or very close variations, as the keyword specified in the sponsored ad. So the query must be in the same order and cannot contain additional words. So exact match can hone in on a very specific set of customers, and use this when you're certain about what your customers are looking for. So using the baseball cap example, baseball cap and baseball caps would be eligible because it's a close variation, but any other combination of words would be ineligible. So 2 examples are red baseball cap or caps baseball. Negative keyword matches prevent sponsored ads from appearing when the customer uses particular search phrases. Negative exact match prevents an advert from appearing when a specific phrase is entered. Negative phrase match reaches a broader audience by allowing additional words before or afterwards. Negative keywords can be used to reduce the cost of your advertising by making sure that your ads do not get served for non-performing key phrases. For example, if a baseball hat advertiser uses the phrase sun hat as a negative phrase match, baseball hat, hats and caps will be eligible phrases to show, but sun hat, summer sun hat and sun hat cap will not show because they have the phrase sun hat in them. When using automatic targeting on your sponsored ads, you can either choose a default bid across all the targeting types, or you can specify different bids for different targeting types. There are 4 different targeting types: close, loose, substitute and complement. Close match is where ads are shown to shoppers who use search terms closely related to your products. So for example, if a customer searches for the Acme 400 count cotton sheets, ads will be shown for cotton sheets, 400 count cotton sheets or 100% cotton sheets. The next option is loose match. This is where the ad is shown to shoppers who use search terms loosely related to your products. So for example, for the same search, Acme 400 count cotton sheets, the ad will be shown for related terms such as bed sheets, bath sheets and bath towels. Substitutes is where the ad is shown to shoppers who view detail pages of products similar to yours. So for the same Acme 400 count cotton sheets search, the ad will be shown for 300 count cotton sheets or Queen 400 count cotton sheets. Finally, complements. So this is where the ad will be shown to shoppers who use details of product pages that complement your product. So for the search 400 count cotton sheets, it would be shown for similar products which are Queen quilt, feather pillows. Which ad is served by Amazon depends on 2 factors: relevancy and the bid level. Amazon will first look at the relevancy of an ad to the phrase which is typed in by the shopper. So for example, if they type in the phrase audio and the product is a Bluetooth speaker, then Amazon would think that is a relevant product for the customer search and may serve the ad. If it was lipstick, they would not serve an ad for a Bluetooth speaker. And secondly, the bid level. All other things being equal, the positioning will go to the product with the highest bid. Amazon uses something known as a second price auction. So if the top bid is 61 pence and the second highest is 52 pence, the winner will pay 53 pence, so 1 pence higher than the next highest bid. Bid amounts tend to go up as the key phrase used is more restrictive. So an advertiser will pay the least for an automatic campaign, moving up through broad phrase, and pay the most for an exact phrase. So for example, an exact phrase might be the name of the product itself, which, as it is a more restrictive, more targeted phrase, will be more expensive. When it comes to keywords, the less competitive phrases will be brand phrases, as they do not produce as many search results, and the more competitive would be category phrases, the broader phrases which have a great deal of traffic. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.